Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got ZTE AXON 20 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and then simply scroll in order to find home screen and lock screen, or basically you do not really have to scroll. Let's tap on it, and on the second position we've got the wallpaper, so let's enter. And as you can see, of course you will have to give the permissions to access your gallery, and here you will have some defaultly installed wallpapers from which you can choose. So we've got some pretty options to choose from. You've got also the gallery here, so obviously you can enter your gallery and pick your photo and set it as a wallpaper, but I think I will stick with those options and let me pick maybe this one. As you can see, after tapping on it you will be able to check the preview, so it will appear on the full screen, and if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set as. And right now you can decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. And I will pick both options. So let me tap. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your ZTE AXON 20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.